Traders Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the NASDAQ, the US100. We've got this fairly overextended rally, and what I would love to see would be, well, something like that. That's what we are missing at the moment. All right, we've got a market pushing up relentlessly, and see, we've got this volume, high volume area down here, really thin up here. This balance area, pull it through. This is on the daily. Yeah, I would love to see a pullback. If we grab this, low to high, down in 61.8 fib zone. So that is what I'm looking for, and then I'd be interested in probably a buy opportunity around that level. At the moment, I don't want to get involved long with this. Let's just have a quick look at this on the monthly. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's relentless. This relentless drive north, pushes up these highs here. So we're pushing into this resistance level at the moment. Weekly, see back in here? This is a big level. We've got this weekly distribution, this whole range through here prior to this move. Right, so we're trading into it. So it could mess around in here, but I'd love to see that. So on the weekly, these lows, we're trading into that at the moment. These highs, right? So that's fairly significant. And what I'm missing at the moment is, as I mentioned, something like that. Daily, grab a fib. Here it is, low to high on the daily time frame. Pull back down into these levels here. So this is where I'd be interested in a buy opportunity. And at the moment, I'd be staying out of the markets. Of course, this is going to affect the currencies, euro, dollar, pound, dollar, dollar pairs, yen pairs. If this rolls over, we could expect to see strength come into safe haven assets and currencies, possibly the dollar, the yen, etc. So just keeping an eye on this at the moment. As far as a trade opportunity goes, we know we're trading into a weekly level. Let's just have a quick look at this on, well, level of interest. Well, back down in here, we've got this balance area here on the daily. So that's definitely an area to be mindful of. And then what do we got? By the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the links below, jump on board. We've got a Telegram group and my website. Have a look and see what's on offer there. So let's have a quick look at this on the 4H. Strong drive, and then it's starting to lean over a little bit here. It's still got this higher high, but we've had this move here and not a very significant push here. Okay, so these highs fairly close together. So 4 hour, right? So on the 4H, we've got this level back in here that would definitely interest me if we see a pullback down into here. So guys, that's it. The US 100. I don't want to get involved long here. We see a decent pullback. I think that would definitely take my interest, or spark my interest, I should say. Okay, with that, comment, smash the likes, do all that, and check the links below. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.